what's up everybody? It's your boy here MC and welcome back to Swahili Nation, Swahili to the world. Guys, thank you for stopping by, and if you guys didn't do reaction of Represent Challenge, please do that right now. You can film yourself listening to our song, singing our song or playing our song, and share the video in our Instagram Swahili to the world DM us. But also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Mika Chavala, Swahili to the world, and also visit our website to see what we are doing more than reactions. We're doing a lot of things every single day, so please do that. Guys, I'm coming back with another reaction, and this is a reaction of Rayvanny when he was doing show actually in the midst of rain. Like he was doing show outside singing without caring about the rain. Can you imagine, guys? Hey man, the only person can do this. You can only do this if you love people, if you got love for your fans. So this is true love right here. When I saw this clip, he actually uploaded like today, a couple minutes ago, I believe. 1 hour ago. Yeah, 1 hour ago. I was like, oh, yo, I'm going to react on this because this is such a good example of being supportive, or being somebody who is actually grateful for everything that fans are always doing. Because he's here today where he is because of the support and love from everybody out there. So shout out to you, Rayvanny, for doing this, and shout out to everybody who went outside and to see the show. I'm just gonna go ahead to do reaction for this, but right before do reaction, I would love to teach you guys a little bit of Swahili. Let's say, if you want to say I'm so tired in Swahili, I am so tired, I'm so tired in Swahili is nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. It means I am so tired. I'm so tired. Nimechoka sana. Alright, let's go ahead. I believe Asali, whatever she is, she's learning Swahili through this video. Asali, you better come back. Stop being lazy. Alright, we're gonna go back to the reaction for Rayvanny in the restaurant. Okay, let's go. Come on! It's Rayvanny. Oh my goodness. Come on. Hey, my goodness. Amaboko right now, the song of the year. Amaboko. Boko. Amaguru. Come on. Amaboko. Amaguru. Hey. Wow, people, they didn't even care that there's rain out there. Oh my goodness. Kalewa. Kalewa. Come on, Rayvanny. Oh my goodness. People are bringing all... Come on. Yeah, I gotta do this with Rayvanny. You see that? Come on. Whoa, yo. Come on. I know, I don't wanna be him, shall we? Look at this love right here. Rayvanny Vanny boy. Come on, my boy. Oh my goodness, Rayvanny's bringing all the way in. You know, Rayvanny, he do this all the time. He goes in the show and then he let the audience sing the song from beginning to the end. What a creativity. Oh my goodness. I love that. Come on. Man, it's raining. Man, it's raining a lot. Guys. Oh. Come on. Man. Come on, man. You see that vibe right there? People, they don't care that it's rain or whatever. Come on. Hey. Oyo, 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 oyo. Oh man, I feel sorry for these people right here actually. And this is love right here. Dang, come on. Come on, Rayvanny. Man, as I was saying, man, you can only do this for, for love, man. This is love. This is love. People coming outside and just enjoy the music like that. This is love, man. Nothing but love, from the fans and from everybody out there. Anyways, man, shout out to Rayvanny for an amazing show and for what he has done, man. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah, all in all, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave your comment and let me know your thoughts. But subscribe and turn on the notification button, and visit our website Swahilionation.world. Follow me on Instagram, Mika Chavala, in Swahili to the world. And also don't forget to do #represent challenge with Z, and also send to us your videos as soon as possible before we close the challenge. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Until next time, Swahili Nation, Swahili to the world. Love and peace out.